Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken soup at home. We are going to create a comforting meal from scratch, starting with the freshest ingredients. First, gather your main components, a whole chicken or bone-in pieces, along with essential vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Don't forget fresh herbs such as parsley and dill to infuse wonderful aromas into your pot. This initial step sets the foundation for a truly delicious soup. Now, let's create that rich, flavorful broth. Place your chicken in a large pot and cover it with approximately 12 cups of cold water. Add your aromatic vegetables, like a whole onion and a few carrots, along with a bay leaf. Bring it to a gentle simmer, cooking for at least 1 hour, or until the chicken is wonderfully tender. Remember to skim any foam that rises to the surface. This helps ensure a beautifully clear broth. With your broth ready, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully remove the cooked chicken from the pot and let it cool slightly before shredding the meat from the bones. Next, strain your flavorful broth to remove all the solids, returning the clear liquid to the pot. Add the shredded chicken back in, along with your choice of cooked noodles or rice. Let it simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring everything is heated through. Finally, let's perfect your homemade chicken soup. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper until it's just right for you. For a burst of freshness, stir in some vibrant, chopped herbs like parsley or dill right before serving. Ladle your warm, comforting soup into bowls and enjoy this nourishing meal. It's a simple pleasure that truly warms the soul, perfect for any day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.